we'll see how a Power BI works to upload a CSV file. So the process is as simple. Click on Start button, type for Power BI. You will identify an icon with the yellow stripes, and it generally takes little time to load. Once the document is being loaded, select blank project, and always do not forget not to save the document. Load the file as CSV as you're loading CSV file. From here, you need to take the step process. Click on Get Data, choose CSV file, locate the file, and I have saved my documents at desktop at Vignan Datasets. You can see the file name as Sample Superstores. Click on Open. Once the data is being read by Power BI, you can see 5 areas. One, file origin, delimiter based upon data detection, load, transform, and cancel. So here the most important area is the delimiter, where how the data has been divided between one cell to other cell, how it is being distributed. So based upon all these 5 different factors, you can see. For example, if I change it to space, you can see how data is being allowed. You can see only columns are small, but when I convert this space to comma, the data has a proper meaning. You can also see one more type is data detection type. Now this data which is in the preview will consist of 20 MB. It shows only the top 200 rows, or based upon entire data set, or based upon do not detect data types. Everywhere in the process of technology, when the data is being applied or loaded to a software, it will identify different data types which are in each column. The second, it takes a sample of top 200 rows, apply the rule of delimiter to all the data set. That is called as based upon first 200 rows. Or you can always run your database with complete data set and based upon entire data set. If you need to make or edit the particular file, the first thing is load the data when everything is proper, or the second thing is transform data. Now you can see based upon top rows or based upon do not detect data types. So when I click on do not detect data types, you can see all the headers of the columns are displayed as column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. Because being the column do not understand, the database do not understand any data types. It always treats as text. But when you convert to based upon top 200 rows, you can see the column 1 is being replaced by row ID, order ID, and order date. This is one best feature which you can see in Power BI. Click on load the data, and the database has been loaded. So while loading, you can understand it will show you the number of rows and columns. If the database is loaded, you can see to the right side of the database all the headers are listed. And if you want to see the data as an Excel format, click on table view. You can see how the data is being loaded. In case if you have multiple data sets, you can see this data model page where you will find all different data configurations. This is how we upload our data to Power BI on Excel format. Thanks for watching.